Did you know that you can create stunning landscapes just like Bob Ross? And guess what? I have decided to try something new today. This is my first oil painting ever. I have been painting for a while, but oil paints are a whole different world, and I am excited to see how it turns out.
Normally the first thing we always do is cover the entire canvas with a thin, even coat of the liquid white.
Wait a second, Bob. As you can see, Bob is using liquid white to cover the entire canvas before beginning the painting. It helps the paint blend more smoothly, making entire painting process so much easier. But if you don't have it, just like me, then don't worry. Just mix your white oil paint with some odorless paint thinner and there you have it, your own liquid white.
So we'll just dip the old 2-inch brush right into the liquid white, about like so, and we can go right up here and begin covering the canvas. All we're looking for is just a nice, thin, even coat. Just really work it in. Tell you what, let's make a happy little sky. And for that, I'm gonna go right into a touch of phthalo blue. Just a little bit, just pull a little bit of the color out and then tap the bristles firmly into the color. This will assure a nice, even distribution of paint all the way through the bristles. It does not take much color, just a little. Okay, let's go right up here. Now then, just using little crisscross strokes, begin laying in a basic sky. And start at the top and work downward. That way your brush will pick up the liquid white and automatically, your color gets lighter toward the horizon. Let's have a little touch of water in this painting. I love water and it's always fun to do. So I'm going to go right back into my phthalo blue, reach right over here and grab a touch, just a touch of the phthalo green. Don't need much of that. It's very strong. Just a touch. Phthalo blue and phthalo green. And just tap it into the bristles again. Okay, now decide where you want the water to be and pull from the outside in. Start on the outside, pull in. Start on the bottom, work up. So it gets lighter and lighter toward the horizon. We'll build a happy little cloud. Let's go right into titanium white. And I'm going to reach down here, be right back, get the least little touch, a little bit more of the bright red. I want to put a little sunlight in these clouds. I want to make a happy little cloud today. Happy little cloud. Decide where your cloud lives. Maybe he lives right in here. Take the corner of the brush and just make tiny little circles. Tiny little circles, round and around and around.
Now I know what many of you might be thinking. Painting is too difficult or intimidating for me. Trust me, I have felt that way too. But today I am here to show you that anyone can create beautiful art with the right guidance and encouragement. Bob Ross famously said that
we don't make mistakes, we have happy accidents.
And that's what we are going to embrace today. This is not about creating perfection, but enjoying the process and letting your inner creativity shine. I know many of you might have been hesitant to pick up a paintbrush, but today is your moment to conquer that fear.
Just really mash down hard. Then take your knife and cut across. See there? Get that little roll of paint. This knife has a straight edge on it. And by having a straight edge, it's very easy to load it. Let's go on up here. Okay? And then maybe our little mountain, I got to make a big decision here. Maybe he lives right here, just floats around in the clouds. Push very firmly, very firmly. We're trying to push this color right into the fabric. And you just decide where you want little bumps to live. See, there's one. let's decide. Maybe there's a happy tree, evergreen tree. He lives right there. Start with just touching the canvas. Use just the corner of the brush, just the corner, and begin pushing, making the bristles bend slightly downward. See there? Look at that. Isn't that a nice little tree? And he lives right here in this brush. All you have to do is sort of push him out.
So that's it, my first oil painting. To be honest, I'm quite proud of how it turned out to be. Oil painting is definitely a different experience, but I really learned a lot along the way. And if you have never tried this before, I highly recommend giving it a go because it's quite fun. So, what do you think of this piece? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and smash that subscribe button for more exciting adventures.